Well. This is Carty Outdoors here. So I'm just not far from where I live. I'm about an hour and a half from where I live. I'm in a place called Cropton Forest. It's literally past Pickering, so the moors are just over there. It's an absolutely fantastic day, as you can see yourself. It's beautiful. So I'm just going to go for a bit of a walk today. Have a look, come on, absolutely lovely. So I'm just going to take a mooch round here. Let's see what I can see, anything interesting. But yeah, I hope you enjoy. I need to get myself some more water. I've only got a little bit of water with me. And then we have a bit of family. So, right, I'm going to turn your camera around and I'm going to show you. Just give me a 2 ticks. I don't know if you'll be able... Oh, lovely place. Absolutely lovely. Anyway, so I'm just going to keep on walking up here. I'm going to follow it all the way around and see where it takes me. Hopefully find somewhere nice so we can go cook a nice omelette, have a nice cup of coffee, just relax and take everything in. But yeah, absolutely love it. Right, I'm going to park. I found a little spot, I quite like it, so I'm going to park my ass down there. I've used the water what I got from that stream, that little waterfall, what come out the ground. Just poured it in my mug there. Just got a bit of a boil on. I'll just put it down for you to show you. A bit of a boil on. It's gone out. It's just give me a boil on it. That's it. Already mixed, so let's get that in. Salt and pepper. Here's the taste. Let's see what it tastes like. I bet you thought I was going to walk by, didn't you? Yeah, doing a camp in the Lake District in the next month or so. Just got to get the shoulder right. Once the shoulder's right, I can crack on with it. Well, if you've never tried this, please go out and try it, because you'll be surprised what it actually does for you. This is God's medicine. How we doing? So I've just got back in my car and I've drove up to a different location. I'm just in Levisham at the moment, so I'm heading towards Skelton Tower. I want to been to Skelton Tower a few times, but I've never had my drone out there, so I want to get my drone out and get some good footage. Just walking around here. They've re-bricked that up. Obviously been dodgy, hasn't it? But yeah, there it is, Skelton Tower. I don't know the history about it, so I do apologise. If I get to look it up, I'll put it in the description about what it's all about if I get time. But so I've got some really good drone footage. I'm really happy with it. Tell you what, some fantastic shots. But what a place. I mean, I love Skelton Tower and I love it round overlooking, Levisham. It's a great area. I'm quite lucky not to be far away from here. It's kind of... Right now I'm messing about. Let's get this out. Just like that. Alright, just let that brew. If anybody's interested, let's put this camera back up. I'm using the ultralight Descati burner. Right then, I'm going to finish off my cup of coffee. My food is nearly done, a couple of more minutes and that's done. It's a good little spot this, what they've got. Obviously it's not where I come camping, but it's somebody else's. But what I will do, if I do come here, I'll respect it. I'll leave no trace and I'll look after it the way they've looked after it, because that's what we all should be doing. So, you know, if you ever go to somebody else's spot and you know somebody else camps there, just respect it, leave no trace. It's not going to hurt you, is it? Leave it as it is. Do you know what I mean? You can always come back again, can't you? Oh, well, I'm absolutely roasted. So I'm just heading my way back up to Skelton Tower. It's just over there. See if we can get you focused in on it. See if we can zoom in. Can you see it? It's a little... Yeah, nah, I don't think you'll be able to see it. But anyway, it's just on there. So I'm going to... it's a beautiful day though, isn't it? So I'm just going to head back up there. I'm going to stop up there and have a drink of water. And then I'm going to head back to my car. And head back home. But what an adventure it's been today. Absolutely fantastic. Bobby Dazzler, Bobby Dazzler. I found some good spots to bivvy camp, bivvy and tap, even hammock camp. But I've got a couple of spots I'm going to neutralise and I'm going to use. So obviously, as soon as this shoulder gets better, we're going to crack on with a few camps. But yeah, absolutely. This is what I want to. Looking at camping, I quite like it. It looks quite. Looks like a fairy tale little area, little corner of the. There's grass. But yeah, it's fantastic here. I mean, just get my bivvy bag down here. Don't even, if it's a warm night, I don't even need a tarp. But yeah, I can get my arse down here. Have a nice little camp. I think that's what I'm going to do as well, come down here. God, there's so many spots I've seen today what I want to camp in. Some sheep shit down there, not standing that. There'll be loads of ticks around here most probably. But there's ticks everywhere, aren't there? I mean, look at that. I mean, that's cool. But yeah, I want to bivvy down here, bivvy down there. I mean, could put a tarp up. Don't think it's going to really matter. But I'm going to come here and I'm going to do a camp here anyway. But I'm best coming here a bit late. It's obviously late nights. So I'm best coming here, getting here for about tea time. Scope it out, then set up. But I don't think nobody's going to bother me around here. Right, anyway, let's crack on. Let me get myself back to Skelton Tower, have a drink of water. From the car, I'm not far at all. Still a glorious day. But yeah, what I want to talk about is I haven't had my YouTube long, but nearly a year. I'm not very good at talking to the camera, as you can tell, but I'm trying, I'm learning. I'm shit at editing, but I'm trying, I'm learning. It's a big learning curve for me, all this, but I enjoy it. I mean, like I said, I go hiking, I go solo camping, I go on my bushcraft. So why not film it for you guys? You know, and I'm gonna get better and better. It takes time, doesn't it? But shut up, I'm talking. But yeah, it'll get better and better. But like I say, if you like it, please like it, please subscribe, share, comment, come on, give me some feedback, tell me what you want me to do. You know, I'm up for some challenges. But yeah, I can only get better from here, can't I? Can't get any worse, or can I? I fucking hope not. But anyway, it's been an absolute grand day today. So, pardon me. I've been at the Cropton area where I go usual camping. So I've had a look at some more spots around there. I found a couple more spots. I've done about 5 or 6 mile around there. And then I've got back in my car. And then I drove to Levisham, not far from Levisham station. Parked my car up, hiked down here to Skelton Tower. Got some good drone footages. So hope you like them, enjoy them. Went down to another bit of forest, what people use. Like I say, if you're going to go to people's camps and you're just going to sit there and have something to eat, or you're going to stop there the night, just respect it. You know, if they're respecting it, you respect it. Well, you should respect it anyway. Don't matter if they don't respect it, you'll respect it, because you should do. So I think I might have a camp in there as well. I've got a couple of little spots around here as well, what I thought was quite interesting. What yeah, but anyway, enough of me waffling on, absolute shite. So if you like the video, like I said, please subscribe, please like, please comment. It means a lot. Share, whatever you want to do. But until next time, anyway, take care.